What's your name?
Seth.
And what's this channel?
Better for Seth.
Seth, look at all of these monster trucks.
Whoa.
That's a lot of monster trucks.
Yeah, and look at that one.
So, what's your favorite monster truck?
Silver Fortune Camouflage.
Can you show it to me?
I love this one.
Oh, that's a cool one. So, what are we playing today?
Showing them off.
Showing them off. Okay. Do we have to pick them?
Yeah.
Okay.
You pick first.
No, I already picked one.
Okay, I'm gonna pick my favorite, Ice Cream Man.
Ice Cream Man.
And then I'm going to pick Maggie or Megalodon.
Megalodon.
Look at Megalodon.
Whoa.
Look at these teeth.
Look at those teeth.
Yeah, that's what like a real Megalodon looks like.
Okay, Dada, what are you picking?
I'm gonna pick Octonder.
I'm talking like
Okay.
I'm
Pick
going to
another
pick Team Meat.
White Dragon.
Cool.
I'm going to pick let's see. I'm going to pick your favorite, Sparkle Smash. Your favorite.
Yes, my favorite.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, a unicorn.
That's
Yes,
a.
horn.
Is that a unicorn truck?
Yeah. Monster truck.
I think that's a color changer.
Yeah. Color changer monster truck. He turned gray.
Whoa.
Monster Mutt Husky.
Dirty to Queen. The Dirty to Queen Monster Mutt Husky too.
Oh, you picked the same one as me. I'm picking Dragonoid Ice.
And then I'm going to pick Gravedigger, Gears, and Galaxy.
I guess we're going with 6 trucks.
One more.
Hey, look, Bully's in the way.
Oh no.
Okay, I gotta pick one. Seth, who should I pick?
Alien Invasion.
I don't like Alien Invasion very much. I'll pick Son-uva-digger, Gears and Galaxy.
Seth's monster truck lineup. We've got Gears and Galaxy Gravedigger, Monster Mutt Husky, Dirty to Clean. We've got Color Changer, Sparkle Smash.
It's a spray and Megalodon.
And who?
Soldier Sergeant Camouflage.
And
Team Meat.
And on Dada's lineup, we have
Thunder. Ice Cream Man. White Dragon. Monster Mutt Husky. Dirty to Clean. Gears and Galaxies Son-uva-digger and Ice Dragonoid.
We've got the 2 opposing teams. What are you guys going to do with these trucks?
Show them off.
And we see which one can go farther. Okay, Seth, which 2 are we gonna do?
So your fortune, Ice Cream Man. Oh, I think you went the farthest.
Which 2 are we gonna do?
Thunder and Gears and Galaxy Gravedigger.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go! Well, you keep going over there. I went all the way into the next room. Okay, Seth, which 2 are we gonna get now?
Megalodon and White Dragon.
Here, you You
What?
take this side. Ready, set, go. Go that way.
Oh,
But
look
you
at
win.
Mickey. Monster Mutt Husky. A Monster Mutt Husky.
All right, let's see which one's the better husky. Ready, set, go.
Go. And Son-uva-digger using Galaxies. Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Dragonoid ice and teamy.
Team meats. Ready, set, go.
Oh.
They both.
Who were the two farthest ones? The two farthest ones were these two, so we'll see who's the best.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
Ice dragon.
All right, these two are the winners, so we're gonna see which one is the ultimate winner.
Okay. Ready,
Set, go. Whoa. You did.
I did it!
Good job,
I won! Dragonoid ice!
We're gonna take one of them and we're gonna trade it for one of those ones. So we're gonna have 6 different ones.
Grave digger.
Okay, then put meats back right there. Now it's my turn. Take Dragonoid ice, and we'll switch him for another ice one. Northern Nightmare.
Is this the how we know that will go? Which
That's just El Toro Loco Orange.
I'm going to pick. Okay, orange Hotel logo.
I'm gonna pick one I normally wouldn't pick, but I'm gonna pick him today. Snake bite.
That's the mystery truck. Invasion Gears and Galaxy.
Ooh.
Let's see it.
Is he dirty?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all that mud. Come closer. Look at all that dirty mud all over his.
Whoa.
So we got Dirty Monster Mutt Husky, and I'm gonna switch him for Gears and Galaxy Dragonoid.
I'm going to make mine dirty too.
Okay, well hurry.
Oh, look, he's so dirty.
I'm going to switch him to Twin Engine. I'm going to switch to him
Twin engine. Stone Crusher.
What happened?
He was pink and then he turns gray. I'm going to switch him to Son-uva-digger.
We'll do Pirate's Curse Fire.
I'm going to switch him Megalodon to Hotel Local Bulldozer. This is Hotel Local Bulldozer, Mama.
Ooh.
It is. Okay, now I gotta switch my favorite one out. Ice Cream Man. I will pick my favorite superhero, Superman. And we're gonna aim for this, okay? This is what we gotta try to hit. If you hit it, you get a point. If you don't hit it, you don't get a point. Okay?
Okay.
We're aiming for stars and stripes.
5 alarm.
5 alarm. Ready?
So ready,
Set,
set,
go.
go.
Oh.
I got
That
0
was so
points
close.
again. Ready,
Set,
set, go.
Oh, you hit him! My guy
Hey,
went.
I got 1 point.
I tried to block you. High five, buddy. You got a point.
I got 1 point.
1 point. Okay. Dragonoid, Gears and
I'm
Galaxy.
going to do.
All his little nose moves. You
No,
see that?
that's his horn.
Oh, that's a horn. Yeah, that's better than a
I'm
nose.
going to do faster twin engine.
Ready, set, go.
go.
Oh, you got him again. Good shot.
I got
Yeah.
2 points.
2
2
points.
points. And how many points does Dada have?
0.
0. Dada getting his butt kicked today. Stone Crusher versus.
Orange Hotel logo.
Okay, we gotta start right here. Ready, set,
go.
go.
Oh.
Postcard fire.
Pirate's Curse Fire. He's only got 1 eye, but that's his good eye.
Set and go.
Oh, he can't even get there. Okay, Superman. You can't beat Superman. He's too strong. You can't beat him.
Ready,
Set,
set, go.
go. Oh.
So who won?
Um,
Who has how many points?
me.
How many points do you have?
2.
How many points does Dada have?
0.
What does that make you?
The winner!
Woo! You gotta jump up and down. You're the winner! Woo! Dada's the loser.
Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you later.